welcome back to my channel, and today I will be teaching you how to do smoky eyes with very limited products and within no time. Products that I have used are usually available with every girl who uses makeup. These are very basic products and very basic colors. So let's go ahead and see how can we achieve this look. Okay, to start with, I have already concealed the under eyes, and now I am going to just put a little bit of eyeshadow base. I will be using a dark color eyeshadow base that will help me build up the color. I will be using a brown color, a dark brown color gel eyeliner. So why I like to use gel eyeliners is because when you are using gel eyeliners, in the time of application it is kind of cream texture, and after some time it dries up and stays on to your eyes for a very long time. It gives you the right intensity that you need basically. So use little at a time, don't go with a lot of product at once. So what we are using the strongest color here. The maximum intensity should be here, and then as you move ahead, it should be a little like dark to medium and medium to light. So kind of a gradient effect that we want to achieve here. So again, when you come to the crease line, you just have to blend it properly. Always keep in mind you can intensify it later, but then if you intensify it too much at the beginning, then it's very difficult to tone down the color. So there you achieve the same color on both eyes. You can, if you want a very strong smoky eye, then you can do the same at the bottom. Like when you're doing this, look up and then take some more color and next we are going to use a black color gel liner. It's a black color gel liner. I take very little quantity just with the same brush, and very little, yeah. Because it completely depends how much of a black intense smoke that you want to see. And this I am applying a little diagonally because I want to just use a little shimmer onto the inner corners of my eyes. I am using not the darkest, the third shade here. So, taking little at a time. Again, starting. Next we will, with the same brush, we will be taking the darkest color, that is black, and hitting onto the corners like this. Blend it really very well. Because blending is what that actually matters when it comes to smoky eyes. I'll be taking it with my finger, very little, and then just add the brow bone, like the, not even the brow bone, middle of the brow bone and the crease line. Just at the crease line basically. Taking a clean brush and with highlighter color, just add my brow bone. I'm a huge fan of eyeliners, so yes, I am going to use a liner to top it up to just define my eyes. With this we come to the end of this video, guys. So I hope this video was useful to you, and I hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video you get the notification. Until next time, please take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay beautiful.